Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can show your file type and hide your file type. So here you can see there are two files, one video file, text file, and here you can see in here this one and this one. This is our file type. What type of file we have? You can see our file type extension in the last in our file .mp4.txt. So how you can show and hide this, I'm going to show you this process. So if you don't see your file type in the last in your file name, then go to view. In view you can see file name extension. In default it not should be selected. You can see your file like this. So simply click on this file name extension. You can simply enable or disable this like this. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.